Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sayyid Abdul Ahad and my today's topic for the video is e-commerce fashion apparel industry in Pakistan. Well, this is a huge untapped market which needs to be captured as internet is taking all over the world, so it's important for our Pakistani retail businesses to capture this market and take their business to next level. Well, the size of the industry is 99.1 billion as estimated in 2018 and it's an untapped market. As far as our online fashion apparel market is concerned, new players are entering into the market but they are not capturing online businesses. Well, there are some issues which needs to be addressed. There are exchange issues, there are size issues, there are quality issues, there are logistic problems which needs to be addressed quickly. The discounts offered on retail outlets and discounts offered on online platforms should be different. There should be some proper discounts, more discounts given to the online the online customers to make them attract to buy something online. There are gender issues like the richer class, they are accepting online businesses and they are ordering online to save their time. But as far as the middle class sector is concerned, they want more reliability, they want more comparisons. That's why they are not making purchases that too often. So it's important to be in the right direction. The marketing should be in the right direction, the logistics should be in the right direction. They should hire their own riders to deliver products directly to the customers. The channels like Daraz and all other e-commerce, they are creating some sort of hassles for the big industry players like Bonanza. They are facing logistic problems since the lockdown. As the market was totally changed, the statistics tells us that after lockdown the heavily focused online businesses were in so much trouble as they didn't expected that the businesses will shift online, so they didn't had any mechanism. Well, if I talk about myself personally, I also does not do so much online shopping that due to so much factors like there are reliability issues. I don't feel that I have so much extensive range to choose from. There are reliability, size issues, there are so many issues. There are return policy issues, there are warranty issues. If we are buying a 5000 rupees shirt, then I don't have that much reliance that it will be of the correct size, the fabric will be that much good. So it's important for Pakistan to look after the other countries and make these things right. If they are to go into the right direction, the marketing tactics needs to be correct. More and more the big players like Hardy and Bonanza, Al-Karam, they will have to make shift focus of attention for Pakistani players. There is extensive range of youth. The youth in Pakistan is a very promising thing, and I personally feel that they should capture this youth. They should have, offer extensive discounts to the people of Pakistan, and they should make them shift towards from retail industry to the online e-commerce industry. E-commerce industry, I personally feel, is not going in the right direction, and if they have to take them in the right direction, they will have to take some effective measures, like they will have to make their online presence more and more visible, and I don't think it's more visible here in Pakistan. They will have to offer their extensive range rightly on their website. I don't feel that there is a right mechanism on their website. There should be some sort of virtual agent, or we can say some agents contacting customers rightly to answer their queries while making a purchase, or we can say while placing a order. It's important to facilitate customers in the right way if they have to make some sort of purchase. So it's really important to differentiate what is retail and what is online. Well, mostly from we can say 4 or 5 decades people are making online they are making retail purchases. So to shift them to this sector, it's really important to give them some sort of incentive, and that sort of incentive will come from a new set of mindset. Well, if we look at the culture of those fashion apparel industry businesses, there are Setia cultures, so they will have to improve them if they have to make or capture this industry, as it is an untapped industry. And I personally feel that e-commerce is the right way to go, as internet is capturing the world from the go. and the industry is becoming more and more and more flexible. So it's after, especially after COVID, things are changing. So it's really important, really important to capture this industry in the right direction and make people make online purchases. As far as the other statistics is concerned, there are around 35% people who like to make purchases online according to recent statistics, and those statistics also showed that women face some sort of difficulties while selecting colors online. So they will have to make their the industry players will have to make their website more and more vibrant and more informative for people to make good purchases, to make heavy purchases. There is load issue as well, like in lockdown they were facing serious issues of supply chain. So as I mentioned earlier, they should hire their own couriers, they should hire their own riders to make people deliver products easily. There are compliance issues and which needs to be addressed more and more often, because compliance is the most important part and it needs to be addressed. Complaint process, feedback mechanism is really important in every industry, and I personally feel that they should introduce some sort of chat box, or they can introduce any number, or we can say any complaint box, and they should listen each and every complaint and answer it in the right manner, so that the confidence of people increase on the e-commerce industry. It's really important to make things work in the right direction. The direct digital marketing approach needs to be improved. It's really important. The total size, as we can say, is increasing day by day, but the thing is, the feedback mechanism plus the quality issues, if these are addressed in the right direction, then things can be really good for the apparel industry of Pakistan. And I personally feel that it should be flourished, as it can bring a lot of revenue for Pakistan. And if we look at our neighbors, they are now heavily relying on this, so we should also capture this. Thank you.